What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming at you from SVBimmer. Are you one of those people who want the personalized look every time that you open the hood of your car? Well, I'm happy to tell you that this trio that we have here from Golden Wrench is just what you need to add your personalized touch to your engine bay. What we have here, straight from Golden Wrench, is a trio that covers our oil cap, our coolant expansion tank cap, as well as our coolant tank cap. Normally, these come in an anodized anthracite gray or red, but as you can see here, we have a custom blue finish. Every cap is machined from T6 aluminum, with each logo and decorative touch finished off with a precision 3D milling process. These caps will go great with any S55, S63, and S55 engine bay. And for today's example, we have this gorgeous S55 M2, which couldn't wait to get these caps in its engine bay. Now, those of you who are looking for an easy DIY, look no further. All that you have to do is apply the supplied double-sided tape, line up the cap, and be mindful of that coolant expansion tank arrow. And then apply a bit of pressure. No tools or experience is required. And we even challenge you to name an easier modification in the comments section. But it's really hard to beat this mod, which takes less than 5 minutes and gives your BMW that custom look in its engine bay that only you could give it. And as easy as that, you've given your BMW the custom look it deserves in order to reflect your personalized style. And as you can see here, we have some additional custom bits and pieces in order to reflect this owner's style. All of which we're gonna put in the links down in the description. If you have any questions for us, please leave it down in the comment section below, as well as what color combination you had for your 3 different caps, or if you went with a specialized custom color as we did here. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, that way you don't miss out on any of our future BMW custom videos. And we'll see all of you in the next one.